Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you a new video. Today I'm going to go and walk you through the process on how to add Samuel L. Jackson, the Alexa voice, to your Amazon Fire Stick and all your other Alexa devices. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. If you have the Amazon Alexa remote, go ahead and grab it. And all you have to do is hit the remote down and say, Alexa, introduce me to Samuel L. Jackson. This will also work with any Alexa enabled device. So you have the Amazon Fire Sticks, the Echo Dots, the Echo Shows, and there's so many others that I don't need to name. But if it's Alexa, you can get this Samuel L. Jackson celebrity voice. Alexa, introduce me to Samuel L. Jackson.
There's a lot Samuel L. Jackson can do. To talk to him, say things like, ask Sam to play music, or tell Sam Jackson good morning.
Alright, so after you say that command on any device, it's going to ask you, do you want to confirm and purchase the Samuel L. Jackson celebrity voice, which is 99 cents. All you have to do is say yes, and it'll be a voice activated purchase for 99 cents on your Amazon account. And also, judging by the screens, you can also get the skill from Amazon.com if you just search Samuel Jackson celebrity voice. So I got mine there. That was the only reason I got mine there was because I didn't know that you can do the voice activation purchase through the Alexa devices, like through the Fire Stick or the Echo Dot. So let's continue on the process of what happens after you confirm the purchase from your Alexa devices.
Before we continue, Sam uses mature content that may not be suitable for all ages. Do you want to continue with the explicit or clean version?
Explicit.
Explicit version. Got it. If you change your mind, you can update this setting in your Alexa app. You're all set. To talk to him, just say things like, ask Sam Jackson, what's his favorite movie that he's been in? Or, ask Sam, what's his favorite word?
Okay, so now that we have the ability to use Samuel L. Jackson's celebrity voice, let me show you what he can do. Alexa, introduce me to Samuel L. Jackson.
There's a lot Samuel L. Jackson can do. To talk to him, say things like, ask Sam to play music, or tell Sam Jackson good morning.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to play Christmas music on Spotify.
Christmas Party from Nate's Spotify.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to tell me the weather.
Let me look into my crystal balls. Right now in Rock Hill, it's 46 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Today's forecast has lots of clouds with a high of 57 degrees and a low of 34 degrees.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to add to my to-do list that I need to go shopping.
I can't find a pen or paper anywhere in the cloud. Alexa,
I've put that I need to go shopping on your to-do list.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson I want to play rock, paper, scissors. Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson I want to play rock, paper, scissors.
okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker beats everything.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to tell me a joke.
How many cats does it take to change a light bulb? Really? You think cats are going to do that?
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson who his favorite customer is.
You're definitely in the top 10.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to find me a movie. Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to tell my wife goodnight.
Listen, I know this technology is amazing, but nothing is perfect. I just don't know that one.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to tell my kids goodnight.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, tell Samuel L. Jackson to tell me goodnight.
Good night. Sleep tight. Go the fuck to sleep.
And before I tell you what I think of it, let me show you how to toggle on the clean version and the explicit version in the Alexa app. So you would have to use your mobile phone with your Alexa app. Okay, so once you have your phone, you just navigate to your Alexa app on your mobile phone. You pull this up, you go to the three lines, top left hand corner, and then go down to the settings, bottom left hand corner there. And then you go down to voice responses under Alexa preferences. And then you go down, you should see celebrity voice Samuel L. Jackson. You just click on him, Samuel L. Jackson, that option there. And then down there, there's a toggle on and off switch for explicit content and then the clean version. So if it's off, it's clean. If it's on, it's explicit, which means cuss words. As for what I think about the Samuel L. Jackson voice, I like it. I like that he does speak and you can kind of do some funny things with it. What I don't like about it is that you have to say Alexa before you tell Samuel L. Jackson to do anything. I wish it was just, you could turn Alexa completely into Samuel L. Jackson, but I'm pretty sure that will probably come later on down in the road. That's my only, gripe about this. But everything else is cool. I mean, from starting out 99 cent, that's pretty cool, but after the promotional period, it won't be 99 cent anymore. It'll be $4.99. So if you were gonna try it for 99 cent, you can definitely try it now. So I'm gonna leave that link in the description if you do decide to do that, because it was a little hard finding the link for it, because when you did search it, it didn't work, but when you clicked on certain links, I was able to find it. But once again, you can do it through the voice activation, which I didn't know starting out, but you can definitely do it through the voice activation on any Amazon Alexa device. So definitely thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the Samuel L. Jackson app down below in the comment section below. And once again, I will see you in the next one. You have a great day. Peace.